Let's watch Nano premieres. I want to watch Throwback Thursday. Here I go. I'm Little Bear, and today let's watch Nickelodeon Nano premieres. What the heck? Next is the Backyardigans. Nickelodeon. What are we waiting for? Wow! What do we mean? You want a retro version? Harvey Tune. Nick Jr. Productions.
Guess what today is? Valentine's Day. Tyrone the mailman loses his bag full of Valentines. I never fail to deliver the mail. Unique with Pablo and Tasha. Put the pedal to the metal. We've got to get that mailbag back in the shop. Can these do-gooders say Valentine's Day? We're up and we're tough and we're good till the good. Start your engines.
Hi guys, it's so good to see you. Little Bear.
Next.
On Nick Jr. Now they know logos. Nick Jr. Productions.
Playhouse Disney's helping you keep the planet clean and green. Today,
Hi.
tree planting.